Hey guys, how's it going? Colin here from the Lonely Spider, and today, since we were halfway, and there's Eric back there with the mini gun, Nerf gun. So we've been halfway through filming through Vigilantes for a while, but we thought we'd just decide to we'd just celebrate. So me, Eric, Max, and Hudson. Max is Robin, and Hudson is the Joker. Four of us got together, and we were going to have a Nerf war, and we were going to see who would
survive in a gun war. The Red Hood, Deathstroke, Joker, and Robin. Now, Robin doesn't generally use guns, but this is a what-if sort of thing.
Yeah, what-if scenario. So, I don't have my Deathstroke costume because I forgot it at my house, but Eric and Max will be wearing their costumes, and Hudson's costume takes a lot of time to put on, so...
I think I just jammed the gun.
Just jammed the... Okay, yeah, no. I don't think you jammed the gun. It went like it was that close to nailing me in the butt.
This is like the Red Hood gun.
Yeah.
There's Max and the Robin too.
Max.
Unfortunately, we don't have Hudson as Joker and Colin as Deathstroke, but that's your imagination.
Yeah. So we're gonna see who can survive the longest, and you're gonna get to see me kick some ass. So that's gonna be great.
Yeah, my ass.
We'll see.
Oh, that came out wrong. I'll trim that.
Alright, so yeah, we will get some video of that, and we'll see you guys later. Alright, so this is the armory. This is all the guns that we're using for this war.
Pew pew.
And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So we'll get some video of that now. I'm going here. Alright, gun that I'm using here, and I got two pistols in my jacket. So let's freaking go. Not gonna be easy filming videos at the same time. Alright, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go! It's hard to reload with this. Alright guys, just finished the first round. In fourth place was the Joker, or Hudson. In third place was Eric, or Red Hood. There he is there. Second place, me. Deathstroke. In first place, Max, or Robin. He used multiple guns in that. Yeah, no one used... Oh, right, that's a surprise. We can't give away a surprise. I might get footage of that, but it's kind of hard to, you know, fight and record at the same time, so that's why I stopped halfway through.
I'm missing 2 bullets.
Yeah, I'm missing 2 as well. So, we will be right back with the next round, and hopefully I will get some more footage.
Jeez! Oh shoot, a good shot. No. That's embarrassing, Colin. Oh, darn it! Hudson, you're so annoying! Ah, you got me. Ah, I'm dead! No. I'm sorry, guys. Hudson, I'm dead, so don't shoot at me. Hudson's been, like, in here the whole time. So, Colin, who killed you?
Max.
Same.
Shot me in the foot. Well then.
It's still stuck to your foot!
Yeah,
I know. Language.
English. Just censor that.
Math. It's still stuck to your foot.
Yeah.
Hudson, you gotta get out.
Disgusting.
Well, it was one of yours. Disgusting! Alright,
Once. Oh! Hudson, how many lives do you have left? He has 1 life left, Max.
Take him out.
Max, how much lives do you have left?
Yeah,
I need a snack for this. It's gonna be good.
Alright guys, so we're switching up the guns. We've had 3 rounds. First round was won by Max. Max won the first round. Second round, who won? Max won again. And the third round, Eric won. So, yeah, sure. So, yeah, we're switching up the guns, and hopefully I will do better. I got second in 2 of the rounds, and in one of them I got third. So, hopefully I can recover from that, but we shall see. To be continued.
God. Ah! Oh my god, I'm dead, I'm dead! I'm dead. Okay, guys, I'm dead.
Fuck, I'm dead. Hey.
Spotlight on this swearing loser over here.
Hudson.
Poking up between a mound of Doritos.
Jeez, my toe.
Sorry about that.
Let's go!
Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing some nerfing.
Hello, Mama!
Oh, I missed.
How do you use this?
Now I know how to use it. Oh, come on. This thing is powerful. I have the power.
Just running around.
Ow! That was ridiculously close. Oh my god, where's my phone?
Are you kidding me? You missed the stormtrooper. You're dead, Hudson. You shot me twice.
Alright, so
get a side on.
Red Hood versus Robin, final draw. They both won 3 matches, so we're gonna see what happens. Ready?
You take 3 steps and then you turn.
Okay.
Ready? 3, go. Let me know when to go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you both missed.
Oh, I hit the lamp.
Yeah!
Oh!
The leg.
You got it.
The Red Hood wins!
So the Red Hood wins the Nerf battle. Wow. What a
So,
insane finish.
in conclusion, the Joker would be the worst in a gunfight, no offense. Because Hudson didn't win any. Deathstroke would be the second worst.
Because I only won 1.
Robin would be okay, and then Red Hood would be the best. I'm sorry guys, I got bragging rights.
Oh yeah.
You do.
You all did great, high five.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's our training for guns and vigilantes. Stay tuned for the film, and see you around.
So yeah.